Welcome to part 58 of Learn Languages. Today we're talking about the future. In English, there are two main ways to talk about the future. We use will and going to. They are not the same, and here's why. Let's start with will. We use will for spontaneous decisions. Someone asks for help and you decide right now, I'll carry that bag for you. You didn't plan this before. It's a quick decision. We also use will for promises and predictions. I will call you tonight. I promise. I think it will be a great day. Now let's look at going to. We use going to for plans already decided. I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. You planned this before. The decision already happened. She's going to start a new job next month. We also use going to when we can see evidence. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. You can see the evidence, the dark clouds. Be careful. You're going to fall. You can see it's about to happen. Here's a quick memory tip. Will, instant decision or promise. No advanced planning. Going to, pre-made plan or visible evidence. I'll have the pasta, please. Just decided in a restaurant. I'm going to study French next year. Already planned. Both are correct. Just different situations. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.